Let's see myself. Holy. Because Jody liked to apply her lipstick through her finger. She liked to do a finger.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, MaryAnn here. Welcome to my channel. And I have another camera here that can see where my hand goes. I put everything over here. And this video, guys, it's a collaboration with MYL TUMBUNGERA. I'm gonna put her link down below, and I'm gonna put a few videos on here of MYL. And this is the makeup no eyes. We called it, you know, close your eyes makeup, something you're not looking what you're doing here. But I put everything here, as you see right here. Everything is right here. I just want to know what's what here. And I put the telephone right here because, you know, Tommy might call, and while my eyes are closed, and I know where's the phone, and I know where to grab the phone. Anyway, guys, check MYL TUMBUNGERA channel. She's so funny, but she do funny videos. Let's get started, guys. And I'm gonna count. And I have beauty blender here. I have everything here. I just want to make sure where I put everything. And I'm going to say, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. And I'm just gonna a little bit focus. Not really focus, but I'm gonna put you a little closer to my face that you know what's going on. Okay? So anyway, guys, and so I'm not gonna open my eyes because for sure there is a screen. I can see myself in there. But, you know, and then there is a thing over here. And let's see, do I have everything here? 1, 2, 3, close eyes, ready. Pang, pang, pang. Okay, I open my eyes again. Oh, you guys, I just want to make sure if you had, I broke my phone. My phone is not, I don't broke it. It's just the manufacturer of 6 Plus is having problem, you know, lately. And this is my second 6 Plus. They replace it. And I just want to make sure if you want to be in my shout out and you told me you want to be in my shout out, please leave me a comment down below again to be in my shout out, because I screenshot all that to go back to my photo library, but that's all gone. My clips, I have few clips in there too, are gone. And so, guys, if you want to be on my shout out again, I'm sorry, I lost them. And so yeah, leave the comment below, and yeah, let's get started, guys. Close eyes now. I just want to make sure that, okay, I'm gonna get started. I don't have to explain what I'm doing here. I'm fine. Holy cow, this is really hard, guys. Okay. I still can't feel any foundation. I don't wanna open my eyes. Oh god. I don't drop anything. I just want to make sure that I close it. I hope I don't drop anything. Seems like I put everything back. Oh goodness. So this foundation, guys, is the let's get dirty now, guys, because, you know, I don't see anything. So this is the foundation, the Fit Me Dewy Finish. So yeah. So I just want to make sure, and I hope I put enough. The same thing, guys, you know, when you're dating. I'm gonna make a story while doing this because it's kind of boring if I'm just doing this and there's no story time. And of course, you have to put something on your neck. I just want to make sure that I use my finger to make sure that whatever in here, I got it. Because I don't want, oh my god, I don't want it like dripping all over the place. And I hope there's no one around me, guys. Please. So I'm not going to cut this thing, just in case I did something like I'm going to fast forward it. But I just want to make sure that you guys know that I'm not cheating and closing my eyes. So whatever, there's no cut, whatever, but there's something that is near to be not really in the vlog. I'm just going to, how do you call that, guys? Fast forward it. And it's really hard when you are, if you can see, it's just really hard. The same thing, guys, when you are dating, guys, when you have a boyfriend. And how many times do I have to do this, guys? So the same thing when you're dating and you are tago-tago with your parents. You know, you're hiding with your parents because it's illegal. It's illegal talaga. Yeah, because you know your parents doesn't want you to have anything, anybody, like dating, crush, boyfriend. And you know what? I remember you hiding to the dark. That no one, because you know when you're in the province, everybody know everyone. And so you have to hide. Gives me headache this closing eyes, guys. Honestly, it makes me like so dizzy. I think that's good. I'm not gonna make it so perfect because I can't see. I don't know if it's perfect or good or it's overdone. Where I'm gonna put this? Right here. And then what's next is I'm going to put because this is the usual I do. Okay, guys, this is what the usual I do. I'm sure this is my eyebrow pencil because it's short. It's short, guys. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I just want to make sure that it came to my eyebrow. Okay, and a light stroke over here. So I hope I can find. Oh, nakita ko rin dito, guys. So now I'm gonna put it in a hole, and I'll put that right here. And saan ko ba to? Ilagay ko na lang to dito. Para ano ko lang to, guys, kasi wala na siya eh. Parang wala na. Ito. So now I have a pointy thing in the pencil. Eyebrow pencil. And so yun yung parents ko, guys. Ano sila? Sobrang strict. At saka tago talaga, guys. I remember when I was with my aunt. And she doesn't like me having boyfriend because they send me to school, first year high school. Second year. She kinda does. Of course, I understand she doesn't like, and everybody know that I have a boyfriend in the neighbor. We live in the little town, which is a lot of people. It's not like in the province. Okay, hanapin ko muna tong ano, guys, ha. So, tapos na yung eyebrow. So, ano na tayo, guys, sa eyes. So now, that's lipstick. I can tell the difference. This is it. It's Judy time. So hanapin din natin yung brush. Yung brush na pang ano talaga. Yung brush that it can be good for. Okay, this one I found it. Now I don't know because there's so many in here. So I guess which one is the first one here? This one. So and the next one is right here. So I'm gonna put it right here because the next one is right here. So I did this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Tap. Murag correct. So yun. So ano tayo, with smoky eyes ito, guys. I'm gonna make it smoky. And I remember there is a black thing in this is Judy time thing. This Judy time palette. It's eye palette. And it's really weird poking your eyes, closing your eyes because so yun lang. Okay, and then guys, the next thing is I'm going to use I will put it back right here, and I'm going to use, where is it? Where are you? Hindi ko na makita. Hindi ko naman kasi talaga makita eh. I'm looking for probably this one. Probably I can use this, right? Okay. I'm going to use this. I for sure this the last one is the black one, guys. The last one is the black. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do black thing here. So ano na lang, guys, mathematic. I'm sure this is black. I hope it's black. So yun, guys, at saka yun, nagka-boyfriend ako, tago-tago, guys, but my cousin knows it. She's hiding too. And one time we went to the banana tree. Oops. And he want to kiss me. And it end up, I don't want to kiss him, I push him. I don't want him to kiss me, I push him. He doesn't really have any touch on me like that. Because I kind of worried. I really want to go to school. I was high school. And I really want to just go serious to my school. But you know, you puppy love shit like that. I think that's too much. I think I did put too much. I keep going, guys, because I really thought that I can't see nothing. So I thought there's nothing in there. But you know, ano lang to, guys, na I'm just imagining my eyeballs, my eyelids, because that's how you can do it when you're blind. When you're blind, oh my god, parang nagkampat-kampat naman ito, guys. So the next thing, a good thing about this is have a brush. So I'm gonna do kinda like blend it in the edge of the black thing, I hope. That's it, guys, and that's it, guys. So para naman ano, guys, kayo guys, yung puppy love nyo, ano ba? Masaya ba? Kilig-kilig to the max? Ito ra bang ano yo? Can you imagine when your parents tells you not to, you kinda like it because they don't want you to do it. You kinda like rebel and want to do it because they said no. I know that. The lighter part, I think it's right here. Where is the first one? Right here. This one here for transition, whatever transition is. They call it transition and I call it transformer. Transformer. So yun, guys, I hope it's still filming. So yun. So I'm gonna use my hand to get the, I know there is a nice color over here. There is the second one. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna tap it right here. Tap it right here. And I hope my hand is clean. Of course it's not clean, it's dirty. I think that's it. And I'm just gonna blend it. I'm just going to kinda like wash my hand with the so this is a collab with MYL. And next thing, the eyeliner, guys. The eyeliner, yeah, the eyeliner. Where the heck is the eyeliner? Oh, it's right here. I know for sure this one. Oh no, this is not the eyeliner. I can tell it came off. It's a... No, that's not the eyeliner. Where is this? What is this? No. Anyway, guys, I'm looking for the eyeliner. I can't find it. Ah, okay, I don't get the eyeliner, so forget it. I'm not gonna do the eyeliner because I have black thing on my eyes anyway. Yeah, no, the eyelashes, let me try it on. No, I can't do it. I can't do the eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is to, for sure this is the mascara because I know. So I'm gonna do the mascara while my eyes is closed. Where is it? No, I can't even put it back. So guys, the next thing, oh, I'm gonna go back to my eyes, guys, because I kinda not really convinced that I did something. So this is it's really fine. So because I'm gonna add more black, where is it? I'm gonna add more black in my inner corner right here.
What?
So let's do that. Okay, so I guess that's good. Where's the contour? Okay, this is the contour. This is the contour because I know there is a boundary here. Like, did you see that boundary? Oh, I think this is the white and I think this is the dark. Ang hirap pala, no, pag hindi ka nakakita. So ang hirap pag hindi ka nakakita. It's really hard when you really can't see. So you have to don't ignore or something. Don't ignore your eyes. So guys, I'm not looking down here. I'm not looking down here, and the screen here I flipped it because when I heard flip, I flipped the screen. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes because when I flip, that means I heard it like stop the recording. Oh, over her too. So I'm opening my eyes. I'm not looking under here. I hear it. I hope you hear that too. I'm gonna record it again. Okay, back to close my eyes. Okay, so now I did a contour. I did a contour. Did I blend it properly? I think this one is like a shimmering thing. It's a shimmer, but it's not this one. I don't know. I don't know if this is the right. I'm going to use this. I hope this is the right product I'm going to put, because or else nagka-shiny na itong mukha natin. Gusto ko itong, I'm not sure. Oy, where is that thing? So ganito lang naman. Maliit lang. It's just a little bit. And ito is, lagay ko muna to dito. Ito. Kasi I think this is the highlighter. I'm going to do the blush. I'm using the e.l.f. one. I put everything here already. I know for sure I like the first one, so I'm gonna use the first one. And this is what I'm going to do, like this. So I'm trying to say is about your eyes, guys, that you don't take advantage. You take advantage again. There we go. Don't ignore your eyes. Love your eyes. Don't overuse it. Well, me, I overuse my eyes by editing the video that you guys can see. Itong bra ko. Itong bra ko, guys, sinuhugutan ko talaga kasi palaging nahuhulog. So, mahal ko naman itong mga bra ko to. Ayaw ko itong lalabay. I don't want to pull my bra out. So, highlighter. I hope this is the highlighter. And I put it in the cheekbone. Why this is kind of flat? Ay, nako. This is not right. Next thing I'm going to do, guys, is the nose contour. You know, my nose contour is always there. Oh, this one, because it's kind of deeper. It's kind of overused, so I'm gonna get this. This contour. Idungo nyo lang yung ulo nyo, guys. Idungo. Put your head a little down, that you can do like a line like this. Sana walang mumu dito at saka dito no na nanonood. While I can't see. Thank you. So now I wanna open my eyes. So what I'm going to do next is what I'm going to do next. Okay, let me clean my finger. Because Judy likes to apply her lipstick through her finger. She likes to do a finger. Judy is like to do finger. And sorry, Judy, but I noticed you like to do finger like that. I like you. Ano yung naririnig ko? Oh, thankfully I can't see anything. Okay, so the next I'm going to do is I'm just gonna tap whatever I feel like tapping here, because I know everything is good. So naglalaway itong lips ko eh. Okay. Okay, ito. Ito here. Ito. At saka next is ito. This is the falling leaves. I think, oh no, the falling leaves is there. This one is different. I hope it's not like over in the line, you know. The next thing is what else? This one, the Mia. And the next thing is Judy like to do is this, the first one. What she does is tap in the middle and top in the top. And she do like this, tap. And then the next thing is like this. Judy, I got your techniques. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my eyes, guys. This is done. This is the look of a witch. Okay, I'm done with the makeup right here. So anyway, guys, and I'm going to do a revelation. Let's see myself. Holy. Oh my God! Oh, yung lips ko, guys. Oh, I have a big lips and Kurtish. Oh my God. I think what I did good is the cheeks. And I'm gonna let me see myself on the screen that I can see. Oh my oh my Lord. Halloween. This is not a video type of want to collab. This is a Halloween love. So okay, the good thing first is my lips is like Ann Curtis. It's over here. It came out and in out every time. And on the top also it's coming up. It's like, you know, but I like the combination. And I like that combination that Judy do a top thing on the middle, like what she does usually, like, you know, three colors, and then in the last part is she put the lighter one on her palette on the middle of her lips, and she just like, it's really good actually. But the only problem is I overline it, and my nose contour, I think it's good. And anyway guys, the eyebrow, it is not good. I don't know why I came up here. So anyway guys, this is the video of me and MYL TUMBUNGERA collaboration, and I hope you will check her channel because she is fun. I like her. So this is the close eyes makeup challenge. Thank you all guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it. And we're almost, guys, we are almost 2,000 subscribers. So Tommy hasn't called me yet. What time is it? Tommy doesn't call me. It's 9 o'clock. Are you kidding me? Bye!
No one compares, you stand